Welcome to our tour, and we pray you are well and staying safe during these trying times. We have always used precautions, and now, leaving nothing to chance, we have safety protocols for all concerned. Join us as we tour this home. Live the Florida lifestyle in the highly desirable community of Gateway. This beautiful turnkey condo has a one-car garage and features high-end laminate flooring in the main area installed last year. Top-of-the-line HVAC system with built-in air purifier installed in 2018. Fully remodeled kitchen is roomy and has custom cabinets and granite counters. Spacious master suite has pretty French doors and crown molding. Master bath has dual sinks, private commode, separate tub and shower. Great room has ample space for entertaining and access to the screened balcony where you can enjoy your morning coffee or afternoon cocktail. A short walk takes you to the beautiful community pool. The club at Gateway is a private club under new ownership who are spending millions on renovations to the clubhouse and the fabulous Tom Fazio golf course. The staff is friendly and the food service is second to none. They offer a variety of membership options available on their website. Home has a new electrical panel with a full home surge protector. Ideally located just minutes